To make a menu that looks like this, you just need to use a pop-up menu button, and inside it, pass to Item Builder a function returning a list of pop-up menu items. Now here's an odd part. Those menu items don't work like regular buttons, where you would pass, for example, an On tab. It all works sort of like a drop-down, where a pop-up menu button receives a type, which then gets returned by menu items when they're tapped. To be honest, it seems to me like not a very intuitive choice. Anyway, what I recommend doing to get around that is to create an enum with all the possible actions accessible from that menu. Then to pass that enum to the pop-up menu button and pass the proper enum values to each of the menu items. Then pass to onSelected parameter a function where you use a switch to determine which button has been pressed. And seems like it's working.